today I want to touch on a few topics on who can claim drawback, the timelines of doing so, and the main types of drawback. There's many different types. Today we're going to go over the big ones, but that's the basic. So you can move to the next slide. Okay, so who can claim drawback? Generally, the exporter of the goods, or as the case may be, the destroyer can claim it. But those parties can assign rights to the importer or to any intermediate party. The only caveat being that the exporter or the destroyer has to take possession of the goods before they're exported. And once they're exported, you can apply for drawback.